Hey
Yeah, she making
y'all!
peanut butter and jelly, and it better be the best she ever made.
Today I am gonna make a peanut butter
What?
and jelly cake. Now let's get into it. Hey y'all! So today I'm gonna make a PB&J cake, a peanut butter jelly cake. I want to try it out and see how it's gonna taste. Let's get into it. Okay, so the recipe calls for a yellow cake mix, but I'm gonna use a butter golden cake mix. I'm gonna use a stick of softened butter. One cup of milk. 4 eggs. Okay, and we're gonna add a cup of peanut butter, but I'm gonna put this in the microwave and melt it. I have the oven preheating to 350. This batter. I'm gonna add the peanut butter. All right, it should look like that. And I'm getting ready to pour it into the baking dish. I have some cake goop here that I'm just gonna brush. This just prevents the cake from sticking. All right, and I'm gonna pour my batter right in. All right, I'm just gonna smooth it out so it's nice and even. Like that. 25 to 35 minutes. So in the meantime and in between time, I'm gonna mix up some whipped cream to go on top of the cake once it's done. So I use about a cup of heavy whipping cream, about 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and use a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Okay, you want to have stiff peaks like this. Now what you want to do is just poke little holes all throughout the cake. Now you want 1 cup of melted jelly. And I melted this in the microwave. And you're just gonna pour this all over the cake.
Wow. Is it ready to go? Sounds good. Very good.
Okay, so this has cooled down. I am gonna now put whipped cream that I made on top. I have some more. I have these 2 little cups that I'm gonna just stick in the microwave to liquefy the peanut butter and the jelly to drizzle on top. Okay, now I'm just gonna drizzle the jelly. Just like that. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours and come back and give you guys a taste test. Let's get a little slice. Oh, look at the jelly. And now for the taste test. Now I'm gonna give this an honest review and see how this baby tastes. See the jelly? Have some. This literally tastes like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I definitely like this. You guys give this cake a try. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description box below. Here's to you. Until next time, thanks for watching.